Hey, first grade friends, today is our spelling test. So grab out, not your list, you don't need that, but at the back is the dictation. Let's pull that out. And the spelling. I think this was first, but find this one that has the 15 words on it. And we'll go with this one. And you don't really need to write your name because it's in your packet. Unless you tear it out, then write your name just in case it gets lost when you turn it into me. And let's get started. Grab your pencil. Make sure it has a good eraser in case you need to erase. Just a reminder, it's a long E that says E-A-M, or it's a long E that says E-E-D. So, and I remembered it. When vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking. So E is first always in this, so you're always going to hear E, and there'll be either the E or the A vowel after it. You just kind of have to know which one it is. So this was a tough one. So let's get started. Number 1 is beam. Beam. There was a beam across the ceiling. Beam. Or the beam from the sun was on the ground. The sunbeam. Number 2 is team. Team. The team was going to go out and play their game. Team. Number 3, remember if I'm going too fast, you can pause it. Number 3 is feed. I have to remember to feed Shelly before I leave. Feed. Number 4 is seed. Seed. I will plant the seed so I can grow a flower. Seed. And number 5 is weed. Weed. Around my seed, I will pull the weed. Weed. All right, these are words that have the same skill, but ones you haven't practiced. So just listen to it and think what you write your best. Do your best. This one is ream. Ream. I went through a ream of paper. What is this? This second section of learning. A lot of paper is what it is. Ream. Ream. The next one is seam. The seam in my shirt is coming out. Seam, so where you sew, this is a seam. Seam. All right, the next one is deed. Deed. I signed the deed to my house. Deed. Or I did a good deed. It's probably a better one. By giving food away. Number 9 is reed. Reed. To play the clarinet, you need a reed.
Oh.
It's a piece that goes inside.
It's a different kind of reed.
It is. Or you can do that reed too. And then number 10 is need. I need to see my K1 friends. Need. All right, those are tough ones because they all sound the same, but is it EA or EE? So whatever you got, I'm sure it's awesome because those are ones you just have to know. So don't worry about it. All right, same with these. These are your bonus words. Let's see how you do. There are 2 abbreviations, so remember they'll have a capital letter and a period at the end. But the first one is please. Please is a good word to use when you're asking for something. Please. Please. That one follows our rule of 2 vowels. The next one is room. Room. The K1 classroom. That's really not. It's very quiet. Our room is very quiet. Room. All right, here's the abbreviation. Mrs. I am Mrs. Anderson. Mrs. And then the next one is Mr. I am married to Mr. Anderson. And then the last high frequency word, so number 15 is sleep. Sleep. Miss Kathy and I will sleep in for spring break.
Yes, we will.
Sleep. All right. Once you finish that, if not, pause, go back if you need to find a word, because I know I went faster than usual, but it's because it's on a video and I know you can pause. Otherwise, go to the dictation page. I'm going to read you the sentence. So the sentence, remember, it begins with capital letter, spacing between your words, and a punctuation, either period, question mark, or exclamation. You decide. Here we go. We need the team to feed the seed. We need the team to feed the seed. I'll do it one more time, and if you need it again, you can just rewind. We need the team to feed the seed. All right, I loved seeing all the pictures of your spelling test that you sent me. Send them again. I would love to see how you did. And have a great spring break. Bye.